Number 4, invest in your health, not just your wealth. Wealth is absolutely irrelevant if you don't have health. Look at Steve Jobs. Apart from James Lawrence, one of my big heroes. He died prematurely. That's one of the last pictures that was ever taken of Steve Jobs. Created so much money, added so much value, changed so many industries, revolutionized big parts of the world. He once said when he went back to Apple, he said, we're going to put a dent in the universe. And Apple's now a $3 trillion company that he founded in a garage in Palo Alto, California. But on his deathbed, he said, look, I'm probably worth $15 billion today, but it doesn't matter. It's not going to save my life. There's no doctors in the world that can save me. There's no supplement, there's no drug. Nothing's going to help me now. Despite all this money that I've amassed in my life, it's not going to save me. If only I'd been intentional about my body and respecting my body over the years, I'd be able to live much, much longer and enjoy the fruits of all of my labor and all my innovation.